We carefully apply paint to refresh the car's look and maintain a clean, polished finish. We start the restoration by inspecting the car and preparing our tools for the detailed work ahead.
First, we gently clean the car body and inspect for minor surface imperfections to prepare for restoration. We carefully check the engine and note any parts that may need attention during restoration. After painting, we carefully polish the car's surface to achieve a smooth and glossy finish. Brake pads are replaced to ensure safety.
We carefully check the tire pressure to ensure safe and smooth driving. We carefully inspect the exhaust and undercarriage to ensure everything is intact and safe.
We replace the rear taillight to ensure proper visibility and safety. We adjust the steering wheel and pedals to ensure smooth and comfortable driving. We carefully test all lights and indicators to ensure proper function.
Final touches are applied to perfect the car's appearance.
The restoration is complete. The car looks vibrant and ready to hit the road.